to start from this blank slate. I just opened up PowerPoint, and now I'm going to go to the slide master, so that I can put the company logo on the top of every page. So I'm going to go to View, Slide Master, and go to the very top one. And up here in the corner, I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to put my company name. So I'm going to insert word art and design something. And I can even take this word art right here and do fancy things with it. There's a shadow. I can add a shadow. Okay, just added a shadow. I can go to a glow. I'm going to make it a purple and orange motif here. There's other things that you can do. And I'm going to transform it here into a different shape. Right down here will be fine. And I'll need to make it smaller. You don't want it to take up the whole page, so I want it to be about that size. Then over here I'm going to add a text box, insert a text box, and you're going to save this for another project, so I want to make sure you do it correctly. So on here I'm going to go to Arial Narrow and make it very small, like 11 point or something. And then I'm going to put my address. Design any way you want to. And maybe my phone number. Then on the next line, I might put my email address. Then over here, I'm going to put the website. And I need to remove this hyperlink. Later on, you'll have to do that for your resume. So I'm going to remove the hyperlink. And I'm going to make this box smaller so that it just fits that information. And then I went to Google Images and I found an Arabian horse picture that I wanted. I'm going to make this box fit the words better. Not that. And then over here I'm going to put the picture of the Arabian. So I'm going to go to Insert a Picture, and I put it on the desktop. There it is. Yeah, I just picked anything. You don't have to design anything really fancy. And I'm going to make it smaller. Because again, you don't want this to take up the whole page. You want this to be small, especially when it's a letterhead. I don't want it that small. So once you get it the way you want it, you can click on the various parts. And for some reason it helps to, and then right click on the title of your thing and go to group. And you can group it all into one thing. Now it's just one thing. And then right click and go to, it's still not grouping it. I want everything to be in one. And then go to save as a picture. And so I'm going to save this on the desktop as anything. RRA 243 something, anything. So you remember where it is. Okay, notice on this side that it puts it on every page now. So now that I'm through and I'm happy with what it looks like, I can close this master view. So now when I add a new slide, the next slide has it on it. New slide, new slide, new slide, it has it on all of them. So the first slide I want to have here, I want to have a graph, for example. Now you can use the insert chart from PowerPoint, but it's kind of a mess. It's so much easier to do the material spreadsheet in Excel, and I've already done it here, and then just make a graph here. So I'm not doing the totals, I'm just going to insert a column graph. You can do any kind you want to. And you can add usually I'm going to switch the rows and columns because usually you have the years down here. And then I want this view right here, so I'm going to add that. And